disturbing for Congress in Karnataka. The Ranya Rao gold smuggling scandal is beginning to cast a shadow now, and it's reached right into Karnataka's political corridors. Enforcement Directorate has swooped into G. Parmeshwara owned institutions. In fact, the Home Minister G. Parmeshwara owns a set of institutions called Siddhartha Education Trust, located in Tumkuru. In fact, those institutions were raided by the Enforcement Directorate, including the Siddhartha Institute of Technology and Siddhartha Medical College. The ED has remained tight-lipped on the reason for the raids, but sources suggest that the issue may be due to unauthorized funding, basically funding that may have come into the educational institutions through illegal means. Now, there have been claims that this case could be linked to the Ranya Rao gold smuggling racket. These are claims also made by the BJP, who say that Ranya Rao gave away a lot of gold and proceeds of that crime to a lot of influential people. It's likely that the Siddhartha institution was one that gained. Allegations, of course, leveled by the BJP, but ED has so far remained tight-lipped. Though Karnataka Congress has responded, the Deputy CM himself, DK Shivkumar, has brushed off all these allegations. Now, he's, of course, said that my minister is clean, I'm confident in him.
I'm sure that in no way my Home Minister is involved with any of such cases. He's a very decent, simple man. I think he might have some of them come and meet, common man come and meet and go. I think no way Parmeshwar is involved in such type of case.
Now, leader of the opposition R. Ashoka openly alleged that gold smuggled by Ranya Rao may have been used to fund these institutions, saying it's already known Ranya Rao brought gold from abroad, distributed it to influential people. That money may have been routed to Siddhartha institutions. Whoever is involved must face action.
ಇಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ತನಿಖಾ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ರನ್ಯಾ ರಾವ್ ವಿದೇಶದಿಂದ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ನು ತಂದು ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನು ತಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಮುಖರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತನಿಖೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಹಣ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂಡಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಯಾರೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ತಪ್ಪೇ, ಅದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಈ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಚುರುಕುಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಈ ರನ್ಯಾ ರಾವ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕ್ರಮ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Now, as the probe tightens, big questions loom as to how far did this gold trail really go, and who are those who really got some ill-gotten money.